In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize dashboard in Freshsales. To get started, log into your Freshsales account and head over to the Analytics section. This is where you can build reports and create visual dashboards that help you track important sales data in one place. Freshsales dashboards are especially useful for monitoring sales performance, leads, deals, activities, conversion rates, and overall team progress. Once you're in Analytics, click on New Report. This will open the report builder, where you can create a custom dashboard view based on the metrics you want to track. Rename the report to Sales Performance Dashboard. This is a clear and practical name, especially if the dashboard is meant to monitor the sales pipeline, deal performance, lead conversion, and salesperson activity. Next, add a widget and click Gallery. The widget gallery gives you pre-built options that make dashboard creation much faster. For this example, choose Deals. Deals are a strong choice for a sales performance dashboard because they reflect pipeline health, opportunities in progress, and outcomes that directly affect revenue. From there, select total deals grouped by lost from. This feature helps you organize deal data based on where lost deals originated or how they are categorized. It gives you a clearer view of patterns in lost opportunities, which can be helpful when reviewing weak points in the sales process. Now add another widget and choose Open Deals. This widget is useful because it shows the opportunities that are still active in the pipeline. It gives your team quick visibility into what is currently being worked on and what may need attention. After that, add the Reasons for Lost Deals widget. This feature helps you understand why opportunities are being lost, whether it's pricing, competition, timing, or another issue. Insights like this can support better coaching and stronger decision-making. Then, add Open Deal Value by Forecast category. This widget is helpful for understanding the value of current opportunities based on forecast status. It gives a more forward-looking view of the pipeline and helps teams estimate expected outcomes more effectively. Once all of your widgets are in place, click Save. After saving, go to the dashboard so your new report can be added for easy access. On your dashboard, click the plus icon, then select Sales Performance Dashboard. As a best practice, keep your dashboard focused on the KPIs that matter most instead of trying to show everything at once. Place the most important metrics at the top so they can be understood quickly. Use filters when needed to keep the data relevant, and consider separating dashboards by role, such as for sales reps, managers, or executives. Also, remember that building reports first can be the best approach when you need more specific metrics. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.